Welcome to API Hub. In this video, we'll show you how to publish your API on API Hub and start reaching developers worldwide, and even earn money through flexible pricing models. Your API should be ready for real-world use and meet the platform's technical requirements. First, we need to go to the API Hub dashboard. Here, we will go to the Published APIs section and go to the Publish New subsection, where we will find the form to add a new API. In the first section, we must complete the API name. Add a custom slug or keep the generated one. A description, a version, and select a category type for the API. In the next section, we must add the base URL of the API, the URL that returns the file swagger.json, the URL that takes us to the documentation content in Markdown format. Select the processing mode, if applicable. Select the API instance type. Add the API key with which our platform will safely communicate with your API. In the next step, we will have the option to configure custom rate limits, or leave the ones that the platform has by default. In the last step, we have to select between several types of pricing. Open access for APIs with no cost per use, free, to make your APIs known. Simple usage, that charges per request. And finally, the consumption-based, that charges the user based on the amount of resources used. And now we are ready to submit our API for approval. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.